Matthew. Hi.
You look like Kermit the Frog standing here.
Hi. Oh, Mommy. Hi.
Nope. Hi, Matthew. Where are your smiles? Where are your smiles? Matthew, just ignore them.
Oh.
Just ignore them and smile.
I'm so happy to see you.
Matthew.
Happy feet, ba-dum-bum. I got those happy feet, ba-dum-bum. I got the low down beat, ba-dum-bum. And they begin dancing. I don't know, them little dancing toes.
Dun, 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 dun.